Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and I am a student at Nosh 8 Learn, which is a boot camp, a coding boot camp here in San Diego and located in North Park. It's 4 months long. The first 3 months we go through in-classroom instruction, and then we also use that time to practice, and then the last month we get placed into an internship. So to break it down a little bit, the first week it's HTML and CSS, so we're building websites using HTML and CSS, and then we add interactivity into it, so incorporating JavaScript, and then we move more into Ruby and Rails and working with PostgreSQL. So another student and I teamed up a couple weeks ago and we decided to take a look at some whiteboard questions because we'll have interviews coming up soon. And this is one that we decided to work out together, and I'm going to take you all through the solution that we came up with and use this as an opportunity to practice speaking in technical terms and how HTML and jQuery link. So the question is, make a web page with a button, and when you click that button, it should create another button with all of that same behavior. So to show you what it is we did, little page. When you click it, it creates another button, and so all of it has the same functionality. So when we sat down to create the code, we thought about the two things that we would need, HTML to store our content, and jQuery because we wanted to manipulate the DOM, and we also wanted to have an event handler, which is the click function. So taking a look here at our HTML page, we've got the link to jQuery, we've got some Bootstrap, and then just a simple one header and also the code for a button. And when talking about how everything links up, I like to refer to the DOM. So, and having the DOM be represented as a tree. So you've got your head, and then it branches off into the body, and then you've got your paragraphs and your headings that come off of that as well. And they call that, like the head, the body, paragraphs and whatnot, nodes. And those nodes can be referred to in jQuery. So for instance, right here at the top here, documents is a reference, it's a node, and it's referring to what's going on in HTML. And what this is basically saying is that they want that everything needs to build out in HTML before it can implement the function. And the function we have here, we named it show new button. We stored our button, our HTML code for the new button in a variable. And we've got another reference here to an ID in a paragraph here, and that's where we'll be appending all the buttons. So we've got that append there, and we needed to assign a click function to it. So we did that, assigned it a click function, and because we want it to have the same functionality as the previous buttons, we're calling that method again within the click function. And so that was just the function to create a button. We needed a place to start it all, and we have the starter event. So again, calling the ID first button, which is what our button is on the page, and then calling the function. So that is what we did, and yeah, that's lightning.